Do you know what is the hottest thing in AI right now? It is nothing other than Cloud Code. Cloud Code is powerful due to two reasons. One, it has access to powerful models like Opus 4.8 or Fable 5. But the other important reason why Cloud Code is so good is because of the agentic harness or the harness engineering behind the whole system of Cloud Code. Do you know that you can run Cloud Code with other models like GLM 5.2 or any other open source models? The same agentic harness run with different models. So if you really look at where the world is heading, you are going to have more and more powerful models. But then what will really matter is not the actual ability of the model itself, but it could be the ability of the agentic harness to do the task that you want to do. So there is a new emerging field called harness engineering, which is becoming extremely important in the entire domain of AI. Harness engineering is what helps you decide how to design the context engineering, how to set up the whole agentic system along with the models so then you can implement very complex tasks. Now, there are some harnesses all of us know. Cloud Code is one. Cloud Code is not a model. It's a system built around existing models that Anthropic has. There is Hermes, there is Pi, and there are many other harnesses. Now, if you are somebody who is really interested in building this for your own company, one of the things that you have to understand is how to engineer these harness systems. My name is Dr. Sridhar Panna. I am one of the three co-founders of Visuara. I am a PhD from MIT and a graduate from IIT Madras. Today, I am incredibly excited to announce the release of our world's first harness engineering workshop that is starting in August. This will be a set of 5 live sessions where you will be building your own harness engineered loop around existing models so that you can run your model with any kind of harness. Now, it will be so much fun if you are building this from scratch because you will then know that inner engineering of how exactly is Cloud Code itself set up from scratch. In 2023 and 2024, people were talking about prompt engineering, then came context engineering, then there was something about loop engineering, and now we have something which is even more powerful and more important, that is harness engineering. Our program is led by Dr. Raj Nandekar, who is a PhD from MIT and a graduate from IIT Madras, and he is also one of the co-founders of Visuara, and he will be delivering every single session live. This workshop also comes with an option of becoming a Cloud certified architect, which is part of Visuara's harness engineering program. So I welcome you to come and be part of this program, irrespective of whether you are a student or whether you are an industry professional, because this is literally going to change the way you are building your systems. Because this is going to change the way you will be setting up your AI workflow. You can join using the link below in the description.